Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a meal out of items that I have in my pantry, things that I have on hand normally. Because the supermarkets are a little crazy right now, and maybe you can't even get to the supermarket, or you don't want to go to the supermarket, or maybe you went and there wasn't a lot of fresh food available. So let's rummage around my kitchen and see what we can find, and we're going to make a complete meal out of it. So if you have something like pasta or rice on hand, I always have short boxes of leftover pasta and things like that. You can make a meal that is completely nutritious. So let's go. I always have leftover bags of pasta with all different kinds of shapes available. Here's some fettuccine nests. I have some rotini. There's not much in that box. This is usually a pasta I put in soups, but that can make a meal. So I always have something like this around. I think I'm going to use the fettuccine because there seems to be enough of that for a lunch portion. And we'll see what else we have. I found a can of tuna in olive oil. So I'm going to use that. I have an open jar of Kalamata olives here. They have pits in them, so I'm going to chop these up and remove the pits, but tuna and olives go really well together, so I think that'll be a good flavor enhancer. I found some hot peppers that are already chopped. They're cherry peppers. They always taste good, so I'll probably put a spoon of that in. I have just some dried herbs. We all have herbs in our cabinet, right? And some olive oil, and that's what we're going to do, so let's go. This pasta takes about 13 minutes. The sauce we're going to make is only going to take the amount of time that this takes to cook the pasta. Probably not even that much, but let's get started. Here's the can of tuna. I'm going to flake this into our skillet, and I'm going to use the olive oil and everything. I put some additional olive oil around, this extra virgin olive oil, and I dump the can in here. I'm just going to break it up a little. I'm not actually going to cook this. I'm just going to warm it up a little. And then we're going to pour the pasta right into here after we have all the other ingredients in. So first I'm just going to start with the tuna on a low heat. Our fettuccine nests are ready to start unraveling, which means we're making progress here. Now if you don't have a can of tuna, you could use anchovies or sardines, or even canned salmon. We all have little cans of things in the back of our pantry. You probably don't even remember you have. Okay, I'm going to add the olives. This is about 9 olives that I've chopped up. I'm adding in a spoon of the cherry pepper mixture. A little heat, a little flavor. Pasta is done. I'm reserving some of the cooking liquid. We're going to need that. Now I'm going to drain. Now I'm going to shake on some of the Italian seasoning. Add a little bit of the pasta water. And we're going to toss this together. If you don't have any kind of canned fish, maybe you have some beans or some canned vegetables or something that you can throw into your pasta. If you have pasta, you can make a meal out of anything. I'm just going to give this a minute so all the flavors blend together. I don't even have the heat on anymore. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the meal I came up with. If you have any ingredients at home, little odds and ends, and you don't know what to do with them, put them in the comments below and I'll see if I can come up with some ideas for you. But I wanted you to know that even if you can't get out, you can still make a nutritious meal based on what you have in your pantry. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye. Stay safe.